We are just 2 months away from the launch of the Galaxy S24, and most of its hardware specifications have leaked. However, it is rumored that most of the exciting features of Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphone will come from the software. And Samsung has revealed one AI feature that will allow people to translate calls and messages in real time. Now, more AI features and design traits have been revealed. But before that, let's talk about the updated design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature largely the same design as its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. However, there are a few design changes that bring even more optimizations, including thinner and more uniform bezels, according to a render from usually reliable tipster Ice Universe. The phone reportedly features a flat-screen display with a slight curve towards the part where the glass meets the titanium frame. Now let's talk about the AI capabilities of the S24 lineup. In the last video, we learned that these devices will feature AI-powered real-time translation for calls and messages. This exciting feature aims to eliminate language barriers and make communication across the globe. Additionally, another interesting AI feature on the S24 lineup is its ability to analyze your used apps and usage patterns. By doing it can proactively provide results that simplify tasks. Essentially, what this means is that the Galaxy S24 utilizes intelligence, AI, to understand how you use your phone and your daily routines. It pays attention to the apps you frequently use and learns from your habits. With this information, it can accomplish some things automatically. Furthermore, the S24 can greatly enhance your work life by assisting with email composition. If you instruct the phone to send an email, it can intelligently determine how best to write it based on your style of communication and send it on your behalf. In terms, the Galaxy S24 aims to simplify your life by learning about your preferences and using that knowledge to assist you with tasks without requiring requests. Talk about efficiency. And that's not all. There are rumors that the One UI 6.1 on the Galaxy S24 lineup will include several other AI features seamlessly integrated into functions. So what are you expecting from the S24 lineup? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Looking forward to connecting with you. Take care.